Hi, I'm Ashley, the Monogram Mompreneur. Welcome back to my channel if you're new here. In today's video, I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how I sublimate a monogram onto a shirt. I'm going to do like a mommy-daughter matching shirt. So if that interests you, keep on watching and make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. We would love to have you here in the Monogram Mompreneur community. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so I have my mommy-daughter set. This monogram is called Preppy Floral from Sprinkled Ink on Etsy. They have such cute alphas. That's where I got my other alpha that I feature in my other sublimation videos. So this one is like a 10 by 10 monogram, and this one is probably 7 by 7. And so I just designed them in PicMonkey. I printed them out through Sawgrass Print Manager, and I used 11 by 17 paper for this one and 8.5 by 11 for this one. So we're gonna pre-press, lint roll, and get to pressing. Okay, so for this one, it's 100% polyester. I do have it set at 385 because I was noticing that 400 was scorching some of my Laughing Giraffe shirts. So I just want to make sure I don't scorch anything. So let me get a fresh lint roll. I know it always sticks, messes up. So you want to make sure you lint roll. Even the places you aren't going to sublimate, make sure you lint roll. Like up here at the collar and the sleeve, because somehow you can get a blue dot. Okay. I am going to cut my monogram, the top, just so I have an idea of where it starts. Alright, I'm going to put my T-pad in. Again, I accidentally had some bleed through, so I'm going to put something on that as well, just to make sure it doesn't bleed through as well. Let's go this way. Come on, baby. Work with me. There we go. I'm trying to keep this peplum off, although you probably don't have to with the T-pad. But and guys, I didn't do my center line, but I've already got the T-pad in, and it's for my daughter. So we're just gonna roll with it. Okay, so I've got my monogram. I'm placing it about 1/2 inch down because this is the peplum top. Okay. Got that. And so we're going to try a new temp. We're going to try 385, and we're using the T-pad. I loosened up my pressure a little bit. So, let's see, I feel like I need a little looser. We're just gonna see if it works. So I've been experimenting and testing different temperatures, because I really want to use the T-padded. I maybe could buy a pressing pillow, but I think the T-padded is cool. So I'm just trying to figure out how to use it correctly. So we're at 385. I'm gonna do a whole minute since it's polyester. Some of the 65-35 I've noticed have started to scorch. If you leave them for 60 seconds at 400, you get like little burn marks. So I ruined a shirt this morning, and so I tested it out to see what I did wrong. Alright, we have 10 seconds. Oh, let's see if it works. 3, 2, 1. Okay. It looks so good. Oh my gosh, I forgot to put the paper on the inside. Luckily I had the T-pad in there. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at that. How adorable is that? So cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right, that one definitely looks good. That pressure definitely worked so well, and 60 seconds worked really well. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for that. Okay, Alright, now we're gonna do of the Mommy and Me monograms. We're gonna do my monogram, and this again is a like 10 by 10 monogram. And I am using a Cricut Infusible ink shirt. This is size medium, and it's a little tight, I'm not gonna lie, it's snug. So I usually wear mediums, and this is a tight fit. So this is the V-neck women's shirt, Cricut shirt from Hobby Lobby. I have my heat press set at 385. Let's see what their recommendation is. Okay, so they recommend 400. So I am just gonna go up to 400, and I'm gonna adjust my pressure because I had the tea paddets in there. So yeah, not even enough pressure. Nope. And so you're just supposed to, there you go, that should be good with the shirt. You're supposed to use the piece of paper and use like the slide test. So I figured out the tea padded, and when you adjust the pressure, it works so much better. So it definitely was user error. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, it says, it doesn't give a time, so I'm just gonna do 60 seconds. So I'm just gonna do a quick pre-press, and then we are going to lid roll, and then going to do my monogram. Oh. Okay, you can feel the pressure. Just doing like 10 seconds. Oh yeah. So now I'm just lint rolling, and I'm actually gonna get, look at all that lint on there. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. All right. Man, excelente. So again, especially on white shirts. On the colored stuff, it doesn't matter as much, I don't think, just because you won't see the blue dots like on the gray thing I did the other week. The gray romper I did the other week, you couldn't see the blue dots because it was dark. I'm just getting every little part that I can. Okay, now I'm gonna fold it in half. This is just what I do. It helps me find center. Oh, that one's a little harder since it's folded. We got our center line. Okay, so now the key is it's a V-neck, so I want it about ½ inch to an inch down from where the V is. So it's gonna kind of be my center point as well. Okay, got a little wonky, but I see center. Okay, put a sheet of butcher paper in between just because it's super pigmented, super bright, so I don't want any bleed through. For some reason, I didn't notice a lot of bleed through on my adult shirts, but this is all white, so definitely want to make sure there's no bleed through. I'm not using a pressing pillow or anything because the edges, the creases, they're all pretty much off. We lint rolled, we pre-pressed, we found center, and so now it's just time. I'm gonna trim it because I like seeing about ½ inch down, so that way I know where to place my monogram. Okay, I'm gonna go a little off center. I'm gonna go to the center of the A. That's what I typically do with embroidery as well, is I kind of go off the middle initial and less on the actual, because sometimes you're gonna have a wonky letter and you want the middle to be centered. It looks good, so it's about ½ inch down from that V-neck, because it's already low, and so you don't want it super low. So we got that. We're gonna push in our butcher paper, and then I'm gonna press for 60 seconds. Here's the one I did earlier, the laughing giraffe one. This is the Peplum, and look how gorgeous that turned out. This one I did at 385 for, I believe I did 60 seconds on this one since this is 100% polyester. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Wow. So there's what it looks like after it's done. Guys, it's adorable. Okay, so we didn't have any bleed through. Look at that. It looks adorable. I do see a tiny blue dot from lint, but it's for me. Look at that. So we have mommy and me little shirts. These are perfect for Mother's Day or anytime for just mommy and me matching. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to monogram using sublimation. Again, this design is from Sprinkled Ink on Etsy, and I'll link it below. So cute. She has amazing alphabets and designs. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.